Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Formosissima. I am Salome, your navigator. Once again, this is the digest version of this book written by Dr. Kian-liong Lim and Dr. Genki Fujii. Seeing Taiwan is understanding the world. Please find the link to the purchase site of this book in my detail column.
Welcome back to Formosissima. In my last video, I mentioned the peony company case, but its sound itself doesn't deliver the beauty of the name, so I translated the name on purpose. Bodan means peony, a beautiful flower that is also used as an expression of a normal, elegant lady who is seated. Bodan is a little village which is located rather at the tip of Taiwan. It's a residential area of native Taiwanese such as the Baiwan tribe and the Ami tribe. As you can see, its culture is more similar to American native than to Chinese. So, what happened in this beautiful village? A murder after a very unfortunate misunderstanding. In 1871, to this island, which the Qing dynasty literally despised by calling it as the land of miasma, a boat drifted. It was a boat that was traveling from Miyakojima to Okinawa. At the time, Okinawa, the Ryukyu Kingdom, was already integrated into Taiwan and was under the rule of the Japanese government. Therefore, those 66 passengers who drifted to the island of Taiwan were Japanese people who were carrying some products to the Japanese emperor. Out of a very unfortunate misunderstanding, Taiwan people murdered 54 of these Japanese officers, merchants, and sailors. So what happened is that the Japanese government of that time protested to the Qing dynasty. The Qing dynasty replied, Taiwan is outside of a dynasty. Taiwanese people are outsiders. The Qing, therefore, has nothing to do with the matter. Japan, on the other hand, having had its own nation killed, insisted that they would send their army for revenge. Then the Qing said, be my guest, do whatever you must do. 3 years after the Bodan case, in 1874, Japan sent troops to Taiwan. This troop was led by a Japanese national hero, Tsugumichi Saigo, a brother of Takamori Saigo, who was one of the founders of the Meiji government, the Japanese modern government. This unfortunate event was the first contact of Japan to Taiwan. It was the first contact between Japan and Taiwan. It surprises me a lot to know the reaction of the Qing dynasty toward this dispute. They said, well done, Japan, and even sent some gifts to show their gratitude. Through this episode, we can see clearly the fact that the Qing couldn't care less about Taiwan. Well, it turned out to be a very short movie this time, but in the next video, Taiwan becomes a Japanese territory. I bless you all. Bye.